Introducing notpixel, a new Telegram mini app from creators of Notcoin. Notpixel is a play-to-earn game based on a virtual canvas of 1000 x 1000 pixels, designed to let millions of players change the color of the pixels in real time. Every pixel that you paint rewards you with PX tokens and contributes to the mining process. If you like collective art, decentralized creativity, and pixel-based gameplay, you can enjoy unleashing your creativity while earning crypto. Go to btcpromos.com, select Ton Apps from filter bar, and open notpixel review. Then click on Visit Telegram bot to get started. Unlike Notcoin, notpixel can be accessed directly with Telegram desktop. First, it asks you if you'd like to join a squad. This can increase your earnings. And you can support us too by joining BTC Promo Squad. You can start by completing a few available tasks here. They are very easy to get done. And then use your points to level up your boosts here. This way you'll have a more powerful start. Also, if you have any problem joining the channels mentioned in these tasks, you can find a link for that in BTC Promo's website. This link allows you to join these channels together with a single tap. Now let's go back to the game. Technically, it doesn't matter what you paint, you still get rewarded. But one best approach to have a meaningful start to this game could be selecting your squad picture from here and contributing to painting that on the canvas. Or you could select an artwork which is globally popular from this corner here and join others in painting that one. However, we are not supposed to paint things like country flags because notpixel is supposed to be a politics-free space dedicated to art and earning crypto, of course. You'll have to wait a bit for your energy to get filled, then you can paint pixels again to earn more points. But keep checking back frequently to earn as much points as possible, because token generation event is planned to happen really soon this time. Thanks for watching.